Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. A groundbreaking moment in DJI's innovation story is here, and it's folding into something extraordinary, literally. The DJI Flip, rumored to be the company's first ever foldable mini drone, has been sparking massive excitement across the drone community. With leaks revealing key features, images, pricing, and specifications, the Flip seems poised to disrupt the mini drone market. Combining cutting-edge portability with advanced functionality, this drone is designed to appeal to recreational users, safety-conscious beginners, and seasoned drone enthusiasts alike. Let's dive deep into everything we know so far about this potential game-changer in DJI's lineup. Compact design and lightweight innovation. The DJI Flip joins the highly sought-after sub-250G category, making it exempt from registration in many regions. Weighing exactly 249G and boasting unfolded dimensions of 30 by 30 by 8 centimeters, the Flip emphasizes portability without compromising performance. Its innovative folding mechanism ensures it's easy to carry, store, and deploy on the go, whether you're traveling, hiking, or vlogging. The futuristic design, reminiscent of sci-fi gadgets, reflects DJI's continuous push toward blending technology with aesthetics. One standout feature is the fully enclosed propellers with circular guards. This design not only enhances safety for operators and bystanders but also minimizes risks when flying indoors or around obstacles. DJI's focus on accessibility makes the Flip ideal for hobbyists, casual pilots, and safety-conscious users seeking a dependable yet intuitive drone experience. Camera excellence for cinematic footage. At the core of the DJI Flip lies a high-performance camera system that's rumored to rival the Mini 4 Pro. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the camera captures stunning 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. This ensures vibrant, detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. Coupled with AI-powered tracking, the Flip enables smooth, intelligently framed shots during dynamic flights, perfect for content creators and vloggers. While the specifics of the gimbal remain under wraps, industry insiders speculate it may feature a 2-axis or even a 3-axis stabilization system to deliver buttery-smooth video. For creators looking to enhance their work further, optional ND filters are expected to be available, enabling greater control over exposure in bright conditions. A nod to DJI's commitment to catering to professional videographers. Battery power and extended flight time. The DJI Flip sets a new standard in battery efficiency. Featuring a 3,110 mAh capacity battery weighing just 83.5 G, it promises an impressive flight time of up to 31 minutes. This extended flight time gives users more opportunities to capture the perfect shot without frequent interruptions. The Flip's Fly More combo package elevates convenience further, offering 3 batteries, extra propellers, a carrying bag, and a charging hub. The hub's ability to charge 2 batteries simultaneously or one after the other ensures you spend less time waiting and more time flying. With a minimum battery charging time of just 45 minutes using a compatible 65-watt charger, the Flip is optimized for quick turnarounds, making it ideal for adventurers and professionals alike. Safety features and obstacle avoidance. Safety takes center stage with the DJI Flip. Its fully enclosed propellers not only protect users and bystanders but also make it highly suitable for beginners. Advanced obstacle avoidance, powered by DJI's proprietary AI, ensures smooth navigation even in complex environments. Leaks hint at the integration of a LiDAR sensor, similar to that seen in the DJI Air 3, enhancing object detection and navigation precision. This robust safety suite makes the Flip a reliable companion for pilots tackling dynamic or tight spaces. Whether you're exploring urban landscapes or capturing breathtaking natural vistas, the Flip's features aim to provide peace of mind for both new and experienced users. Pricing and availability. Leaked pricing positions the DJI Flip in the mid-range market segment. The base model starts at €439, $458, making it an affordable entry point for casual users. For those seeking more features, the RC2 controller package is priced at €639, $666, while the Fly More combo, complete with additional batteries and accessories, retails for €779, $812. These price points strategically place the Flip as an attractive option for hobbyists and professionals alike, offering excellent value for its feature set. With a rumored launch date of January 14, 2025, across Europe and North America, and a potential showcase at CES 2025 in Las Vegas, anticipation is building rapidly. What makes the DJI Flip unique? The DJI Flip seems to embody a thoughtful evolution in drone technology. By balancing portability, safety, and high-end camera capabilities, it's positioned as a compelling alternative to the Mini series. Its lightweight design, advanced features, and competitive pricing cater to a wide audience. From beginners looking for simplicity and safety to professionals demanding performance and portability. Whether you're an aspiring content creator, a tech enthusiast, or someone simply exploring the joys of drone piloting, the DJI Flip offers a versatile package that adapts to your needs. While it may not revolutionize the industry outright, it brings together elements that redefine convenience and usability in the mini drone category. Final thoughts and your input. That's everything we know so far about the DJI Flip. It's an exciting addition to DJI's innovative lineup, combining futuristic design with practical features. Will it dominate the mini drone market or simply be another incremental upgrade? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited about the DJI Flip? What features do you hope to see? And don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest updates, reviews, and in-depth breakdowns of all things tech.